Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 or 10 PC using command prompt. For this, first click on the Start button, then type CMD in the search results. Right click on this one command prompt entry. Select Run as Administrator. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. Now you need to type this one command netsh a space wlan a space show a space profiles and then press enter on the keyboard. This will display Wi-Fi profiles. Select the Wi-Fi profile you want to view the password and then right click on it. Now use the command netsh a space wlan a space show a space profile a space name is equal to, then right click here to paste the copied Wi-Fi profile name, and in case in Wi-Fi profile name there is a gap, you need to put this one Wi-Fi profile name under inverted comma. After that type put one space again, then type key is equal to clear, then press enter on the keyboard. Under security settings, beside key content, you can find your Wi-Fi password. I will put these all commands in the video description also. In case you need it, you can copy it from there.